Can I survive Antarctica with just these 10 essential items? If you're planning an adventure to Antarctica, you're probably wondering what to pack. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential items to bring along. Packing for Antarctica isn't like preparing for any other trip. The conditions are extreme, with freezing temperatures, strong winds, and wet weather. If you don't pack the right gear, you might end up miserable and struggling to enjoy the experience. Imagine being stuck with a broken zipper on your jacket or having wet socks for days. The right equipment will make all the difference in your comfort and ability to take in the landscapes. You don't want to be worrying about staying warm or dry when you could be out exploring. When it comes to clothing, the layering system is key. You'll want a base layer to keep you warm, a mid layer for insulation, and an outer layer to protect you from the elements. Think thermal tops and leggings that will help retain body heat. Next, add a mid layer, such as a fleece jacket or sweater, to provide insulation. Finally, your outer layer should be waterproof and windproof, like a parka or ski jacket. Gloves, hats, and sunglasses are also must-haves. You'll need waterproof gloves to keep your hands dry and warm, a hat to prevent heat loss, and sunglasses to protect your eyes. Don't underestimate the importance of a good pair of gloves or you risk frostbite. Bring warm, waterproof boots with good grip, essential for walking on icy surfaces. Some items are often overlooked, but are crucial for a successful trip. Waterproof bags for your electronics will keep them dry in wet conditions. If you're prone to motion sickness, pack medication because the seas can get rough on the way to Antarctica. A good quality camera with extra batteries is essential because the cold drains power quickly. Don't forget lip balm and moisturizer to protect your skin from harsh winds. To sum it up, the key to packing is layering, waterproofing, and prioritizing warmth and safety. By being well prepared, you'll focus on enjoying the experience rather than stressing about the cold or wet. With the right gear, you'll be free to take in the breathtaking landscapes and make unforgettable memories. If you're planning your own Antarctic adventure, share your dream packing list with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventure travel tips and destination guides.